Hi and welcome to day 6 of the Mind Mapping with Ease course. We're coming to the end of our course. Today what we're going to do is discuss in a little bit more detail why mind mapping works. We're going to have a look at expanding your map explorer and maximizing the space of your work area. So let's jump straight in and let's have a look at why mind mapping actually works for any situation, any business, education, single users or multinational operators. So first off, it's graphical. So it's a graphical tool that allows you to, as you've been able to see over the last few days, being able to put in word, images, numbers, color, etc. And this makes it a lot more memorable to review. And the combination of words and pictures is over 6 times better for remembering information than words alone. Now, mind mapping to the brain is a very natural process. So mind maps link concepts together through natural associations, which makes it more natural to remember. This also helps generate more ideas, find deeper meaning, and also prompts you to fill in more or see what you're actually missing within a mind map because you're able to visually see it. One of the key things to the success of mind maps is that it's extremely simple. So a mind map will give you an overview of a large amount of data, and by using software programs like MindGenius, it allows you to store and record and map out large amounts of data, but also singular in on key information as needed. Now, as mentioned previously, it's very intuitive. So because it's very intuitive, it's very easy to organize your thoughts. Mind maps mimic the way that our brains function, so bouncing ideas off each other rather than thinking linearly. So being able to put the information down into a mind map the way that we do, it allows the recording of the information and then being able to put that into actionable information, which is the key important thing here. It's also a very smooth way of recording information as well. Because you're able to generate ideas quickly with this particular technique, it also encourages you to explore more information, more creative pathways. So in general, by being able to mind map information down visually, you actually get more information out of that topic in a single sitting, which essentially makes you much more productive. Now what we're going to do, we're going to open up our mind map that we've been building over the last few days, and we're going to have a look at the Map Explorer, and we're also going to cover maximizing the space for you being able to edit the map in more detail. So let's load up our map that we've been creating. Okay, so we have our map open, and as you can see here, there's a large amount of information. So one of the key things is that we've got the Map Explorer on the left. Now you would have seen me do this in one of the previous videos. By simply clicking on who, what, where, when, why, these categories on the left hand side, what you can see here is that it's very quickly just focusing the information in my window in this area here of the information that I'm clicking on. If I want to go back to the whole view again, I can just click on the core category just here. What this allows you to do when developing a map that's quite large like this, you're able to click on a key area, and then you're able to then just start working within this area, so you're able to add more information into each category and then look at the whole mind map in its full view. And as again, you're able to simply do this by just clicking on each one of these. Now, as your map gets bigger, you'll essentially need more space to work. So you've got a couple of options with this. It's as simple as this small icon here. This will minimize the navigation panel, and that minimizes it to the left. And also on the right hand side here, you can minimize this panel as well. What this has done is that this has maximized the working space here. You can actually go to a full screen view as well by clicking here. And this moves it into the full screen view. and to exit out of that you're able to just press escape, or you can move your mouse up to the top and a menu will appear. Now this covers absolutely everything today that we wanted to talk about. Now tomorrow is our final segment in this series, this 7-day series. Tomorrow I'm going to talk a little bit more about task management and project management. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to add time constraints to the map, as well as a little bit more of a view of what the Gantt view looks like. And that will finish absolutely everything that we wanted to cover in this 7-day course. Again, if there's anything else or any other information that you were looking for and we weren't able to address it in the 7-day short course, please get in contact with us directly. Otherwise, attend one of our webinars and we're more than happy to help you. Again, thank you for watching this video, and we very much hope you found it helpful.